How can you stay healthy during the winter season? It's a question that seems to crop up every year. As the temperatures drop, the days shorten, and the coughs and colds begin to make their rounds. Staying healthy during winter doesn't have to be a struggle. In fact, with a few simple strategies, you can keep your immune system strong, your mood bright, and your body in top shape. Firstly, consider eating the rainbow. That is, aim to consume a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables. These are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can bolster your immune system. Think vibrant oranges, deep greens, and bold reds. And don't forget about the power of citrus fruits. They're a top source of vitamin C, which is known to boost your immune system. Next, keep your body moving. Yes, it can be tempting to hibernate during the colder months, but regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining good health. Exercise not only strengthens your heart and bones, but it also stimulates the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. So whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a virtual yoga class, or a dance-off in your living room, find a way to get your blood pumping. Thirdly, maintain a regular sleep schedule. Sleep is when your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, so skimping on it can leave you susceptible to illness. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. This can help regulate your body's internal clock and improve the quality of your sleep. And finally, remember to hydrate. While it's easy to remember to drink water when it's hot out, it's just as important during winter. Dehydration can weaken your immune system and leave you feeling fatigued. So keep that water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. To summarize, staying healthy during the winter season involves consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables, exercising regularly, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, and staying hydrated. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can not only keep the winter blues at bay, but also thrive during the colder months. So as the winter season approaches, take these tips to heart. Invest in your health, and you'll find that winter can be a season of wellness, vitality, and joy. Remember, your health is your wealth. And with these strategies in mind, you're well equipped to keep your treasure trove brimming no matter the season.